Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to remove card information from your Apple ID. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If you are seeing this message unable to remove, there is an active subscription on the account. When trying to remove a payment method or delete an account, it means that there is ongoing subscription or payment commitment associated with that account. To resolve this, so guys, how to fix this issue? Number one is check your subscription. Go to the subscription manage subscription section. Simply tap on the settings, tap on Apple ID and open the subscriptions. When open the subscription section, depending on the platform or app, and review your active subscription. Number second is cancel or pause the subscription. Find the relevant subscription and cancel or pause it. This is usually resolve it issue. Simply cancel any app subscription, open it, cancel free trial or subscription, tap on it, confirm and fix your problem. Number three is confirm cancellation. Ensure you receive a confirmation of the subscription cancellation or pause. Number four, try removing the payment method or account again once the subscription is cancelled or paused. Try removing the payment method or deleting the account again. Tap on settings, tap on Apple ID, tap on payment and shipping. Simply wait 5 to 10 seconds. Enter your Apple ID password. When you enter the Apple ID password, remove payment method and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Contact customer support. If you are still having trouble, reach out to the platform or app customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve any lingering issues. That's it. After watching, remember to always review your subscription and payment commitments before attempting to remove a payment method or delete an account. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix unable to remove card from Apple Wallet. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.